Hi, this is Carrie from Orkney Farms, and it is New Year's Eve. So thank you for your support and everything this past year. I'm so excited to have been on YouTube for 1 year now. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera or in the back and hear it in the background, but it is raining, and it's been raining ever since the day after that really bad storm. So all that snow that had us blocked in for 2 days has now been pretty much melted and everything is flooded. It's actually kind of embarrassing. Like, it looks gross and dirty, but that's what happens when you have a lot of snow, which is mud and water. At this point, mud and water. They have some high ground to get to. I'm wondering if we should let them out into the paddock that we don't usually let them out in the winter. But yeah, everybody's here. There's a hay bale over there, but they've also got hay under the building. It needs to be pushed up. They've pushed it back a little bit further than they should have. They're all at that hay. I'm not sure if I can get a closer view. So they're all over there eating. They don't even care about the rain. Like, they're just completely ignoring the rain. The chickens are digging in the mud that it's created. They're all happy to be out in the rain, which I find weird because my old bones don't like being out in the rain. Tilly's kind of hiding under her little shelter. What's going on, Tilly? Should we go check your puppies? And here's the puppies. I gotta lay down some more bedding for them. But it's super warm in here, and I just cleaned them out yesterday, and they were super happy. This was all paper, but they've pushed it. I'll probably be putting more newspaper down for them. Listen to their cute little sounds. Hi, Tilly. You're trying to squeeze in past Mama on the door and it's not working. You're taking up the whole camera. Yes, say hello to the viewers. Say Happy New Year's. Tilly's getting extra annoyed with me. I just videoed a whole bunch of really cuteness of the puppies, and then I thought it was videoing and I forgot to push the video button. So here's some more puppy action, but Tilly's telling me that she's had enough and she wants me to leave. Yeah, the babies are all crying, want to lay down and feed them. It's okay if I'm petting you. It's not okay any other time. Your babies are trying to figure out where where the milk is. The babies are going to find the milk. They tend to sleep in piles of 3. Right now they're all awake moving around, but they do tend to go in piles of 3, I find. Yes, Tilly. Thank you for the kisses. I know, I gotta move this heat lamp out. So I moved up the heat lamp, and I'm going to be putting a little bit more bedding down for these guys. Whoa. Me and Mike are talking about switching them out of this building and putting them back into the dog building, but we're not really sure when that's gonna happen. This building has more than enough room. It's bigger than a whelping box would be. But I feel like when we get a tray in here for feed for them and stuff, it's going to become messy quick, as now that they're up moving around. This was perfectly bedded yesterday. Like, I literally just cleaned this yesterday. So if there is anybody thinking, oh, you don't have this bedded down well enough for the puppies and all that, it was really nicely bedded yesterday, but the bedding gets pushed out and the puppies push it under all the paper and make it into just a pile. I will be putting more bedding in here today and probably cleaning up this crinkled paper and taking out the paper that they peed on over there. So that's about the story with these puppies. They were born on December 13th for people who don't know, and today is December 31st. Happy New Year's, and hope everyone stays safe and happy tonight. And best of luck in the new year. Thanks for watching. Comment your favorite puppy and ring the notification bell so you know when I post next.